Good morning. Welcome to part 3 of my ice cream cake tutorial. The ice cream cake was in the freezer all night, so it should be nice and hardened and ready to go. I got the frosting out this morning while I was getting ready for work, and so you want it to be nice and stirrable so it's easy spreading. And then I just put a little bit on my tray just to kind of something for the cake to stick to. And then I take the bond mat off. Here's what the cake looks like. And then you just put the tray right on top of it. Have it stick, and then flip the whole thing over. And then you're just gonna peel back the mold. And I'm just gonna start frosting. I just do the frosting on the top and down the sides just a little bit. I just get a good amount right on top, and then start just sort of pushing it towards the edges. And then I let it kind of go over the edges a little bit. And I just want to make it look as beautiful as possible. I'm going to put these glazed walnuts on top. So I just kind of turn the cake, smooth it down. Cover anything, make it look all pretty. That is what I do, and just gonna top it with, sorry, the lighting is a little bit bad. Some of these are really large. You could crush these up more if you wanted to. I'm just trying to hurry because I need to get to work. But pretty simple. You can add a little more if you want, but that's finished cake, and I'll take some pictures later of when I cut into it so you can see what it looks like from there. So pretty simple, that's it. You guys can do this with these amazing products. And I also wanted to mention that that round mold goes up to 480 degrees in the oven, And it can also be used for a liner in your crock pot or Instapot. So that's a cool feature. All right, well, I hope you all have a great day.